The next question type we're going to deal with today is read and notice. So these notices are taken from different social scenarios, like from social media, from a magazine, from an announcement. And the purpose of this section is just to make sure how well you can understand the function, the purpose of a piece of text very quickly. All right, so in this example, you see there is a notice from a municipal charter, and it seems to be an announcement for signing up for something that's important. And then it is followed up by a couple of questions. Remember, what I'm showing you is a mock test, which is repurposed to be printable and used on paper, but in the real test, you will have to click on answers and everything. Approaching this is very easy. Remember, you don't want to waste a lot of time on this. If you see a new word, ignore it. Try to guess it first. If you couldn't guess it, ignore it. Once you get to this part, you read the notice very quickly. You read the notice completely to understand what the notice is all about. I usually recommend my students to take a few notes on a piece of paper for themselves to like a summary, like a gist. This will help them be able to answer the questions with better focus. When you get to the question, I usually recommend that you focus on the question more than the options. What I mean is there are 4 options here, A, B, C, D, and there's a question, all right? Before you get to the options, I recommend that you do read the question. The question here is, what type of business issued the notice? We don't know the answer. The answer is not in the text most of the time, so you have to guess it. But it's a good idea to make some assumptions. Answer the questions before reading the options. Like, okay, this could be from maybe something like a financial company or a mobile company. Let's see. You take some notes. Then you read the options and you check, you cross-check your notes with these options and you find the best match. This really helps you narrow down, approach the question with more focus and higher level of accuracy. So always do this. Read the question, make some guesses, take some notes, then read the options and cross-check and find the best possible answer. Remember, we are looking for the best possible answer, not the correct answer. Number 12 is the same thing. It says how. So here there's a means of, there's a method that we're looking for. How can customers enroll in paperless billing? So it's probably mentioned in the document that you can access your charter through the mobile app. So you take some more notes. So it has to be something through the mobile app. And then you read the options. You see that, oh, visiting a municipal charter, office. So not a portal. Website. It says mobile app. So website may not be the best answer. It could still be available on a website, but not the best answer. You see that option C, by using the municipal charter app, is the best and closest answer to the question. Once again, read the notice carefully, summarize it, take some notes of the most important matters, read the questions, not the option, take some notes, and then read the options, check your notes against the options, and choose the best answer. Remember, don't look for the only answer, look for the best answer. As you see with this question and other questions in the TOEFL test, there are a lot of extracts and changes that are coming in TOEFL, which are from social media, from magazines and the online world. So I highly recommend that you try to read a lot of stuff on the internet and on social media and try to engage with them. Comment, react, note them down, summarize them for yourself, paraphrase them for yourself. Dig a little bit deeper. Do not look at everything on the surface and move on. Focus on what you see. If you see an announcement, if you see some captions that are really interesting, read it, summarize it for yourself, paraphrase it. All of these will help you become more proficient and more skillful when it comes to handling questions that are related to texts. If you have any question about this part, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. We will talk about longer pieces of text in the next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with those friends of yours who are preparing for TOEFL 2026. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.